My name is Jason Bollinger. I am the production supervisor and the DC side of manufacturing here at Phoenix Contact.
I'm Cindy Geib. I am a buyer planner here at Phoenix Contact.
Noah Green. I'm a mechatronics apprentice here at Phoenix Contact.
I buy all the products that we use on the manufacturing floor, and then I plan and schedule the orders that are due to the customer's due dates. We're a company that is located in Germany, and we make products that connect two wires or many wires. We service the automotive, wind, solar, gas, oil businesses.
Right here is our sensor. This is a through sensor, so there's a transmitter and a receiver. So shines the light through, and it sees it on the other side. So they're all inserted.
What is your favorite part of working here?
All the people. It's amazing. They're all like family.
My favorite part about working at Phoenix Contact has to be the culture of it. Everybody here is just so friendly.